Hi guys, my name is Ella. I'm majoring in anatomy and cell biology in the College of Arts and Science. My help tip is to make use of a daily planner. You can use it to keep track of all your assignments and deadline. Having an organized schedule can help increase your productivity, decreasing your school anxiety, and help you succeed in life.
Hi, my name is Justin. I'm with the College of Computer Science. My self-tip is to partake in journaling every night. It's a great way to reflect on what you've done throughout the days, and it's even better when you look back 2 weeks, a week, whatever the time may be, and see into a different perspective from how you were to how you are now.
Hi, my name is Kelly and I'm in social work. My tip for everyone is to talk to someone. Peer Health offers a drop-in program, which is a safe and confidential space for students to come and talk to a trained volunteer about any issues they might be facing. It's a place where students can turn when they need.
Hi everyone, my name is Azin. I'm a third-year health studies student. Taking care of yourself can also mean reaching out to others for help and support. Beyond reaching out to friends and family, you can also reach out to a lot of different resources that we have available on campus free of charge for all students. For example, you can reach out to the Student Wellness Center, the University of Saskatchewan Students' Union, the Students' Affairs and Outreach, and the Faith Leaders. As I said, all these are free of charge to students, so be sure to check them out if you ever need to.
Hello, my name is Hassan. I'm a biomedical science student, and I take care of my mental health by sharing and listening to student experiences via blog posts and social media. We're all in this together.
One way to take care of yourself while you're partying is to make sure you measure your drinks. So for something that's 5% like beer or cider, that's a 12-ounce serve for one serving. You want around 1 cup and 1/3 of a cup for one drink. For something like wine that's 12% alcohol, you want just over 1/2 cup. That's around 5 ounces. For something like a distilled alcohol, 40% rum, gin, that sort of thing, you want 1.5 ounces or just under 3 tablespoons. And don't forget to drink a lot of water too.
Hey, I'm Colveen, and I'm in the College of Arts and Science, majoring in physiology and pharmacology. Some of the things I do to take care of my mental well-being are going to the gym, talking and connecting with friends and family, and taking a break when I need one.
Hi, I'm Shayna. I'm majoring in anatomy and cell biology. From the Indigenous perspective, self-care involves humility, community, and nature. It is simply an act to remind you who you are and grounds you in this knowledge. Share knowledge and stories with those in your community, and take time to connect with nature and Mother Earth.
I think one of the most important things to remember is that you are not alone. In this time of uncertainty and isolation, the university does still offer various supports and services to students with invisible disabilities. If you find yourself struggling with your mental well-being, the Student Wellness Center offers virtual counseling appointments. If you find yourself struggling in your classes, Access and Equity Services can help you gain a better understanding of the accommodations available to you. These supports may look a little different in a virtual context, but they are still available. You can book your appointment by emailing the Student Wellness Center or Access and Equity Services.